Muthoot Finance reported its Q1FY21 earnings. Well, on a standalone basis, the company reported a net interest income growth of around 22% on a YOY basis and was slightly below the ET-now poll. However, the profitability witnessed a strong growth of 58.6% and coming in above the street expectations. The profit after tax stood at 840.7 crore rupees. Well, even the provisions on a consolidated basis were both higher on a YOY and a sequential basis. Coming to gold loans under management, well, it reported a strong growth of around 15% compared to the previous year. However, compared to the last quarter, there was some amount of moderation. But nevertheless, on a YOY basis, the growth pretty much remained strong. Coming to disbursements, the company did witness some amount of impact of the COVID-19 led lockdown. So April particularly was totally subdued as far as disbursements are concerned, but the management did speak that from June onwards they did witness some amount of pickup as far as disbursements are concerned. Collections are also showing some amount of improvement and remained healthy in this quarter. Apart from this, the net interest margins contracted on a sequential basis. Well, it stood at 13.94% versus 15.78% in the previous quarter. So the margin compression was pretty much evident in this quarter. Talking about the asset quality, well, the stage 3 assets were up by about 17.4% on a QOQ basis, and this particularly would be somewhere concerning given the asset quality and the NPAs have spiked up on a sequential basis. In fact, the management did say that the gold loan particularly was pretty strong, and the digital transactions of gold loans recorded 4-fold jump. Now, apart from this, the management is maintaining their gold loan growth guidance of 15% for the entire FY21. Well, this somewhere indicates that going forward, the company is confident of the kind of growth that they would see as far as their core portfolio is concerned. Apart from this, they also added that they witnessed a surge in gold loans for availing working capital loans for small businesses and traders. So as a result, from June onwards, they have seen some amount of pickup as far as disbursements are concerned. In fact, they also added that collections in non-gold loan portfolio have significantly improved on a month-on-month basis. So the trends definitely is on an improving trajectory. The company is confident of their gold loan portfolio recording a good growth. However, how sustainable is this growth is something that we'll have to really watch out when we interact with the management. But this definitely tells that given the fact that the entire NBFC space is in a very tough and a challenging environment, gold finances are relatively well placed, and the company was able to report really strong profitability, which definitely is auguring well for Muthoot Finance. Now we'll have to see if this trend sustains in the upcoming quarters as well.